unboxing, yeah, will come. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. How are you guys doing? If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not new here, please also subscribe, and don't forget to catch up all my videos. So my name is Jennifer, you're welcome. So guys, for today's video I am gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm gonna be doing a PRO unboxing. So the brand I will be unboxing is from JUVIAS Place. I just received the package right now from FedEx. I was supposed to expect this package on the 29th of June, but unfortunately it's here today. And the man literally just chucked this package on the floor. Can you imagine? Just like chucking on the floor as if it's nothing. So anyway, I am gonna go through the box to see what I received today, and I want to say thank you to JUVIAS Place, the team and everyone, for supporting small influencers, small, you know, upcoming. I keep saying upcoming because I'm not there yet, but I've been in this YouTube scene for like quite a while, but it is what it is. So here is the box from JUVIAS Place, and taking a knife. Oh my god, thank you JUVIAS Place. I don't even know what to say. Like, I am so grateful. Wow. Okay guys, you're not seeing my expression, but my expression is beautiful. So this is a setting powder. This is Gombe. I don't know why I would ask for Gombe, but I think I have it already, never mind. And foundation. Wait, why is this out of the box? Literally calamari. Anyway, this is a powder, setting powder, but it's without the case. This is a foundation. This is called Gabon. The last time I have the foundation, it was really dark for me. Oh wow. I got the magic, is it Magic Mini by JUVIAS Place. Excited. Ooh, I got the Warrior palette. See, I don't have this, guys, and I am so excited. I got the Sahara blush palette volume 2. I'm really excited to try this blush palette. Really I've been wanting to buy it, and then I'm gonna buy it. Ooh, this is the volume 1 palette. Again, excited to try it. Okay, here we have highlighters. I did not know they sent me highlighters. They was like, according to the list I kind of gave them, they could not send me an highlighter, you know. But I am grateful for these highlighters though. Look at that. Ooh, new highlighters. Like literally, I'll just do a full face of JUVIAS Place. Everything is complete. So these were the mini eyeshadow palette by, but this is berry palette, and this is what a lot of people do videos with this. And this is a nude palette. I haven't tried this too. I haven't tried any of those. And this is a chocolate palette. I love me a chocolate, so yeah. Wow, so this is the violet palette. Okay, looking forward to that. And more foundation and concealer. I didn't ask for concealer. Okay, this one is Lagos. This is the foundation Lagos, and this is Magic Concealer number 6 that I asked for. More foundation. This is Burkina. It's 2 foundations. 4 foundation I requested for Zaria, just to know which one will suit me. Oh my god. Okay, this is the lip the liquid lip by Juvia. I haven't tried any of their lip products, and I'm excited to try this out. Wait, what's this? Okay, these are more concealers as well, I guess. Who's this? I didn't even know they had it, like a loose eyeshadow pigment. Okay, I'm looking forward to try these. I'm grateful. This is, and again, another highlight. And the highlights, 3 highlights. So the only thing that were not in here was the new Wahala palette, which I am looking forward to. So guys, as you can see, that was all of the stuff I got from Juvia's Place, and I'm really grateful. Thank you, Juvia's. Thank you, Juvia's. So I received 4 foundations. As I showed you guys, they are Lagos, Burkina, Zaria, and Gabon, which I don't have. I do have Malawi, but it was a little bit darker than me, and I did a video on that, so I'm going to leave the link right here so you can check that out. So I was sent 4 concealers as well. Again, nice. They are Magic Concealer 11, number 6, number 8, and number 13. I do have number 7 and number 12, and I appreciate this Juvia Place. So I was sent 2 powder, Gobi and Kalahari. I think I have Gobi. I'm not so sure of Kalahari, but yeah, they couldn't be bothered with the packaging anyway. But thank you. I was sent 3 highlighters, and in the list of products they were going to send me, they never said it was going to send me highlighters, but I did leave the link of highlighters I want. But since they did send me, I am so grateful for this. This is the Tribe highlighter, volume 2, volume 1, and volume 3. All 3 highlighters from Juvia's Place. Great. I was also sent 2 blush palettes, and they are the Sahara blush palette volume 1 and volume 2. Thank you very much. I was sent as well a large eyeshadow palette. This is called the Warrior by Juvia and the Magic Mini by Juvia palette. Again, grateful. And they did send their mini eyeshadow palette, which, you know, I did not have when they released it, but now I do. These are the Berries by Juvia Place, like a purple version, and this is a Violet by Juvia's Place, like a lilac kind of version, and this is the Chocolate by Juvia's Place. I am a chocolate girl, so why not? And the nudes, like this 2 combination, I'm gonna be dying to do looks with them all the time. And lastly was a lip combo, like a liquid lipstick set, and this is their Festive liquid lip by Juvia, and I love the packaging. Look at, ooh, kind of a dark orangey shade. I'm so happy and I'm so pleased. I want to say thank you to Juvia's Place. I can't say thank you enough, but I really appreciate all of this. And my upcoming look, I will play with this. I think I should actually do a full face of Juvia's Place. What's your take? Yeah, that'll be a good idea. Yeah, I think so. They got eyeliner, they got blush, they got lipstick. Come on. Yeah, I should do a full face of Juvia's Place. I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, unboxing video, please don't forget to leave your comment below. Give this video a thumbs up. That means you like this video. If you did not enjoy this video, please leave your thought below. I want to know why you're not satisfied with the unboxing. I really want to know. And on that note, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, as I said in the beginning of this video, please go ahead and press the red button to turn it to gray. Then you'll be subscribed to my channel. And on that note, I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself and be nice to others. Drink lots of water because it's hot outside.